If you're watching this video, chances are you're curious about AI, or you're a software developer that's interested in a new AI called Devin that's been making headlines. Devin is impressive, but don't worry, it's not going to make us all lose our jobs just yet. However, it is a big step forward in how AI could take on more of the work that software engineers currently do. So imagine an AI that doesn't just help software developers, but actually does their job, solving complex coding problems on its own. This is where Devin comes in. Created by Cognition Labs, Devin is a new kind of AI that's really good at coding. It can find and fix mistakes and even manage projects by itself. The news about Devin has got a lot of people talking, especially because it's so advanced that it can pass engineering job interviews with flawless precision, and has even done work on job platforms like Upwork successfully. So who is Devin, or rather what is Devin? Announced on March 12th of 2024, Devin is an AI that can step into the role of a software engineer. It can perform programming, coding, and testing of new software applications. Developed by the folks over at Cognition Labs, Devin represents a monumental leap forward in AI capabilities. It's designed from the ground up to tackle software engineer tasks all on its own. No human handholding is required. So who's the brain behind all of this? Let's talk real quick about Scott Wu. Scott is a rising star software engineer who has won several competitions and created Devin with his team. Devin was a significant part of Cognition AI's announcement of a $21 million Series A funding round led by the Founders Fund. This highlights the company's ambition and the industry's support for such a pioneering technology. So what makes Devin stand out? For starters, this AI has aced practical engineering interviews. Imagine sitting across an AI during a job interview, and it's answering coding questions with the finesse of a seasoned developer. But it doesn't just stop at interviews. Devin has gone on to actually complete software development jobs on Upwork. This isn't a simulation or controlled lab experiment. We're talking real-world tasks, real clients, and real solutions. Now, let's talk about benchmarks, because the way to measure how well software, or in this case, an AI, performs certain tasks, Devin is out here setting new records with benchmarking. In benchmark coding challenges, Devin has shown remarkable performance. These are the specific kind of tasks that would boggle the minds of most seasoned engineers, but here's Devin coming in and doing it ease. So here is Devin's personal toolkit. Number one is Shell. Devin has its own command line interface, or shell, allowing it to execute commands and scripts just like a human engineer would. This is where a lot of the magic happens, from navigating directories to running programs. Number two is Code Editor. Think of this as Devin's digital notepad where it writes and edits code. This isn't just a simplified version either, it's a full-fledged editor, complete with the features that you would expect, enabling Devin to write clean, efficient code. Number three is Web Browser. Devin can browse the web, but not for dog and cat videos. It uses this capability to look up documentation, search for solutions to coding problems, and gather information needed to complete the tasks. Furthermore, Cognition Labs didn't just make claims, they showed Devin in action. Here are a couple of demos that really showcase what Devin can do. In one demo, Devin was tasked with integrating various APIs into a project. Not only did it successfully navigate the API documentation online, but when faced with an unexpected error, Devin didn't freeze. It added debugging print statements, reran the code, and used the logs to diagnose and fix the issue automatically. This level of problem solving and autonomy is really groundbreaking. Perhaps even more impressive is Devin's foray into the freelance world. Cognition Labs showed Devin taking on actual projects from Upwork, from setting up repositories to dealing with versioning issues and even running image models. Devin managed these tasks with a level of efficiency and autonomy that's hard to distinguish from a human developer. Now, let's delve into the numbers that are making everyone sit up and take notice of Devin's capabilities. When we talk about performance in the world of software engineering, especially for AI, it's all about how effectively and efficiently problems can be solved. And Devin, well, it's setting some pretty high benchmarks. One of the most eye-opening stats about Devin is its success rate in resolving GitHub issues. Imagine a place where developers from around the globe come together to tackle bugs and enhance features in their code. Now, picture Devin stepping into this arena and successfully resolving 13.86% of the issues unassisted. To put this in perspective, the previous state-of-the-art models had a success rate of 1.96% unassisted and 4.8% with assistance. Devin's performance isn't just an improvement, it's a huge leap. So what does this mean? These numbers aren't just impressive on paper, they signify a deep understanding of code and intricacies of software development. Devin isn't just matching patterns or following a script, it's documenting a grasp of coding principles and problem-solving strategies that rivals human engineers. Another one is it highlights Devin's problem-solving capabilities. The ability to navigate the complex and often messy world of real GitHub projects and contribute meaningful solutions is monumental. It's not just about understanding the code, but about understanding the problem, diagnosing the issues, and crafting solutions that work in the real world. As we've seen, Devin represents a potential paradigm shift in the software engineering industry. But how exactly does it reshape this field? First, it taps into job roles. With AI capable of handling a wide array of coding tasks, from debugging to API integration, the role of the human software engineer might evolve and change. Imagine engineers moving away from the minutiae of coding to more supervisory roles, overseeing AI-driven projects and ensuring that the bigger picture aligns with project goals. Another one is enhancing creativity and strategy. As routine coding tasks are offloaded to AI, engineers could find themselves with more bandwidth for creative problem-solving, strategic planning, and innovative thinking. This could lead to more human-centric design considerations and novel approaches to long-standing challenges. Now, how about industry practices? The introduction of AI engineers like Devin into the workplace could foster a more collaborative development environment. Human engineers might pair with AI counterparts, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Human creativity and intuition paired with AI's tirelessness and efficiency. Furthermore, current agile development practices emphasize rapid iteration, collaboration, and adaptation. With AI's participants, these methodologies might evolve further, incorporating AI-driven insights into the agility and responsiveness. Now, lastly, this skill gets valued by software engineers may shift, but with a greater emphasis on understanding AI capabilities, interaction, and oversight. Continuous learning will be the key as engineers keep pace with AI advancements and learn to leverage these new tools efficiently. So how do you think AI like Devin will reshape the software engineering industry? Please share your thoughts, experience, and expectations in the comments. And if you felt this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.